Hey guys, so this is the Jawzrsize I've been talking about that I ordered on Jawzrsize.com, and I'm gonna unpackage it. So the packaging comes like this. Here it mentions all the benefits, but mainly toning, strengthening facial and neck muscles. I mainly got it so I can reduce my double chin. So here it is. Jawzrsize logo. So here's the instructions for use. Bring a small pot of water to boil. And further instructions. And then this is the bite strip, I guess, that when you boil it, when you bite on it, it imprints the teeth, and then you can start chewing on it. It's a pretty cute little device. Can definitely use it to exercise my jawline when I'm sitting at a computer working all day.